the bottom. Let's see how far we can go. So my question to you is which tag, okay, because this is all the way down the bottom. Well, I'll go ahead and save because it's actually called the body. So if you look on the code right here, okay, you'll notice the body, and I already put an ID there, okay, so you may want to go ahead and I'll undo this. So go ahead and press the space bar and ID equals, put down body grad. How about that? How about put on body grad? All right, and again, highlight everything here, copy it, and let's go up to here. Okay, so first of all, we'll keep the same style. Press selector, body grad, there it is. And then press return. Let's see what we can do. Now this time we got to choose, I believe it's the background. So now there's a thing here called background image. We can do that, but there's something with a gradient, background color. No, that's not what we want. We want something here, gradient right here. So let's see if we can figure this out. We might have to kind of keeping my, so we want to have this one, and we want it to go to white. Actually, here, click here. Okay, and we want it to kind of go like, we want it mostly white. Let's see what happens. All right, so now we got, you notice how we press return. All right, and I think in this case, we got to go live mode. So let's click on live mode and let's see what happens. There it is, beautiful, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Press save. Okay, and let's go over here and refresh. Check it out, baby. Yes, we did good. We did really good. Now, if we want it like a little bit bigger, okay. So once again, click on style, click on body right here, and then go back into the background. Click here. So, oops, click here, and then maybe you can make the blue last a little higher. See that? And make this guy go a little bit. There we go. All right, so go ahead and save it. So you notice now everything is blue. Let's go ahead and file save, or maybe it's already saved. Refresh, there we have it. So you see it starts to get blue a little bit on the bottom. A little bit too much space over here. So what we want to do is kind of go over here and like, well, first we have to go on design mode. And then we have to bring this up a little bit. So I think what it is, because we put so much, remember in the beginning we did all that returns. So go ahead and press and hold. You might find this. If not, call me over. Okay, and I'll try to figure it out for both of us. See if I can somehow, or maybe because we had it at, we originally said the width would be something. I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that does it. All right, cool. And that does it for that, okay?